In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort references alphabetically in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a research paper, organizing a bibliography, or you simply want your references to look neat and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Google Docs document that contains the references you want to alphabetize. Once you're there, look for the Add-ons menu at the top of your screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. From the Add-ons menu, click Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, you'll need to search for Doc Tools, which is the add-on that will let us sort paragraphs easily. Next, click on Doc Tools and then select Install. You'll see a prompt asking you to continue, select the Google account you want to link, and then click Allow to accept the permissions. Once installed, this add-on allows you to sort any selected text in your document alphabetically from A to Z or Z to E, depending on your preference. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Highlight only the references or paragraphs you want to sort, avoid including headings in the selection, and make sure your references start with the author's name or the text you want to alphabetize. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent errors in the final list. Once the add-on is installed and your references are highlighted, go back to the Add-ons menu, hover over Doc Tools, and then select Sort the selection ascending if you want it to Z, or Sort the selection descending if you want Z to A. After clicking your choice, Google Docs will instantly rearrange your references alphabetically. After that, you should see your references neatly organized without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check that each entry is formatted correctly after sorting to ensure consistency throughout your document. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to sort your references alphabetically in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need to organize their documents. Why not make someone's day easier?